Today I want to walk you through a demonstration of how to use the Dental Air Force. The compressor hose has a plastic side and a metal side. The metal side is what we are going to screw directly into the compressor. Screw that on nice and tight. There is a thread at the end of the tube, so we just match that up. We twist it on, nice and secure. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fill the mixer up about halfway with a little bit of water. Next, we're going to take the dental cleaning agent about an additional quarter of the way. We then attach the Jetstream tool tip to the mixer and give it a nice shake. Once we see that it is gone from just along the bottom to mix throughout, we know it's ready. Now we can go ahead and start using it. Basically, the cleaning solution comes up, the compressor line will blow the dental cleaning solution onto your teeth and gums. You feel the Jetstream spray, and right now it's nothing but air coming out of the air compressor. When we apply pressure to the mixer, the dental cleaning solution comes out. What we're going to want to do is to aim the Jetstream tooltip at all of the surfaces of our teeth, adding air to pathogens that live below your gum line, and that's an environment that they can't live in. You can decide how much dental cleaning agent is coming out of the Jetstream tool by gently squeezing the mixer. And this allows you to throttle up and throttle down based on how much you want going into your mouth. That is a quick demonstration of the Dental Air Force as well as the Dental Air Force cleaning agent. Now you can stop using some of the old dental products that you have been using your whole life and start using the life care solution that is Dental Air Force.